Hello everyone. So today I got my Fire TV Cube 2022, the third generation. Just came in mail. So I'm gonna unbox it and see what's inside. So this is the box actually. This is a Wi-Fi 6E versus the AC of the other ones. 4K Ultra HD, high dynamic range, Dolby Vision, octa-core processor 2.2. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so we have the power adapter here. Pretty well wrapped up. Well, yeah, they did a good job packing that. We'll get to this in a sec. We have the remote and of course the Amazon basic batteries. Pretty standard Amazon Fire TV remote. Looks like it has the TV control button too, with the Alexa voice control, a volume, changing channel, settings and TV, so nothing out of the ordinary. And let's get to the cube. Okay, so this is the new cube. It has some kind of like cloth filling here. Top kind of looks the same like the other ones. The big difference is in the back. You have the HDMI in, HDMI out. So basically, if you are limited on HDMI ports on your TV, you can hook up another HDMI device that's going to go through the Fire Cube, and you can control it with the Fire Cube too. It has a USB port here for media player and stuff, and the big difference, it already has a built-in Ethernet cable adapter, so you don't need that $14 Amazon basic adapter. The biggest minus, this is still not a gigabit one, it's a regular 100 one. So that's kind of it. Thank you for watching. Hi there again. So I am done with the TV Cube third generation 2022 installation. It's kind of a pretty simple installation. You just hook it up, connect it to the network, put the batteries in the remote, and you're good to go. The only different thing that I did, because I didn't want all the cables to hang in front of the TV, I actually installed the Fire Cube behind the TV. Right in there, if you see that cube sticking out of the wall, is the Fire Cube. So it's out of the line of sight. So let's give it a try and see how it's gonna work. Echo, tune to Food Network.
Tune to Food Network.
So I have Sling TV, and after I've downloaded the app in the Fire TV Cube, it actually automatically got all the channels, so I don't need to say Sling every single time. It kind of goes pretty fast. Echo, volume down by 5. It controls the volume of the TV too. Echo, volume up by 5. You can see you can control the volume. Echo, Echo, tune to ESPN. And here it goes again, tuning to ESPN. Let's try to set it home. Echo, go home. And there he goes again. So looks pretty good. I don't know why Amazon is saying that it should be in front of the TV in the line of sight. I don't know why it has that IR extender, infrared extender, so you can control other devices. Behind the TV it can control it really good. I have kind of no idea how, but it still does it. And yeah, it works fine. Echo, turn the TV off.
Okay.
There you go. So really nice purchase. Works way better than the other ones. Hope you like it, and shoot me a message if you have any questions. Thank you guys. Bye.